Arizona Attorney General Chris Mays has threatened legal action against Speaker Mike Johnson for delaying the swearing in of the state's newest U.S. representative. At the time of writing, Democratic Representative-elect Alida Grijalva had yet to be sworn into the House of Representatives. The newly elected representative has been vocal in her support of the release of information on the case of deceased child sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein. With her swearing in, she'd be a crucial vote in an attempt to force the House to release the files. Johnson has been accused of deliberately delaying her swearing in to prevent the release of the Epstein files. When confronted, however, the Speaker insisted that Grijalva was welcome to be sworn in whenever she requested. Complete lie. On Tuesday, Hayes published a letter to Johnson demanding Grijalva be sworn in to officially take her seat in the House, the Attorney General added. Failing to seat Mrs. Grijalva immediately or to otherwise provide a reasonable explanation as to when she will be seated will prompt legal action. The House of Representatives' uniquely democratic function makes frustrating the will of the voters in selecting their representative particularly egregious. Hayes also slammed Johnson and his staff for providing ever-shifting, unsatisfactory, and sometimes absurd stories as to why Ms. Grijalva has not yet been sworn in. Additionally, Hayes demanded a response within 2 days of the letter's publication. Not every single Democratic win come these midterms will be a blowout. Mind you, a lot of them are going to be. There's going to be a lot of blowouts. But for those tight races, Mike Johnson isn't going to go, well, we don't know. We're not sure. How can we seat anybody? What can we possibly do? Do you think Donald Trump is not going to instruct them to obstruct? This is absolutely what's going to happen. This is the test run. And if we're not hair on fire talking about how fucking insane this is, then what are we doing?